Welcome to the Philippines, have a look around. I'm here to tell you how our Filipino history's found.
Balon! 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 Bili na kayo ng itlog na...
Balot shows how Filipinos can be brave and adventurous willing to try something new. Bibingka reminds me of the Christmas season, family bonding, and the warmth of Filipino traditions. Taho brings a sense of comfort. It's simple, sweet, and part of our morning routine. These three foods reflect how Filipino find joy in small things and keep our tradition alive through foods.